I'm Carlos, and I'm the Regional Vice President for the Core Cloud Solutions at SAP. And I'm joined by Jeremy Rader, General Manager, Enterprise Strategy and Solutions, Data Platforms Group from Intel. Together, today, we'll be discussing how SAP had made a big leap in the business technology platform as the unifying fabric for combining all business processes for SAP and non-SAP. We will also discuss how Intel is providing the underlying foundation for all deployment models, on-premise, cloud, hyperscaler, and hybrid. One of the things that you've been going through, as I've been going through, is what the current context with the pandemic has triggered. And what it has triggered is the need for speed. So as the speed of the business accelerates, there has been an increasing focus on digital transformation. This comes down to the ability to quickly harness information to deliver an exceptional experience that offers business value for the end customer. What we've came across with, and I've come across with many times, is that businesses that once mapped digital strategy in 1 to 3 year phases, they must now scale their initiatives in a matter of weeks or months. According to Gartner, 69% of boards have accelerated their digital business initiatives in the past year. So we are living a unique moment where information technology can lead the way to enable companies to learn and progress more quickly than ever before. The need for the right blend of technology and information technology leadership has never been more important in navigating the path through this fast-paced economy. So the first thing that I'd like to share with you is something that we are all living currently. The current context with the pandemic has actually put a need for speed on most of the businesses. So as the speed of business accelerated because of the pandemic situation, there has been an increasing focus on digital transformation. And this comes basically down to the ability to quickly harness information to deliver an exceptional experience that offers business value for the end customer. So what we've experienced in most of the cases, or in many cases, we're facing situations that usually those businesses, organizations would map their digital strategy in 1 to 3 years, that they really want to do it now in a matter of weeks or months. According to Gartner, 69% of boards have accelerated their digital business initiatives in the past year. In this unique moment, information technology can lead the way to enable companies to learn and progress more quickly than ever before. The need for the right blend of technology and information technology leadership has never been more important in navigating the path through this fast-paced economy. So, with that in mind, I'd like to position to you the SAP Business Technology Platform. So, SAP Business Technology Platform is the platform for the intelligent enterprise. It includes database and data management solutions, analytics, application development and integration, as well as intelligent technologies. And it ranges from on-premise to cloud. So SAP Business Technology Platform has got a set of technologies that individually provide substantial value. Just think about SAP HANA. However, the real power of the platform lies in leveraging a combination of technologies to solve your business challenges and create innovative outcomes. And it is absolutely key to SAP HANA's performance, the Intel technology. You can't have business technology platform without SAP HANA. and SAP HANA runs best on Intel. Later in this presentation, we will hear from Jeremy about how Intel has partnered with us since SAP HANA's inception to optimize the performance of SAP applications by helping SAP HANA perform faster, scale better, and restart faster for better business continuity. Our customers can run SAP Business Technology Platform in any cloud environment to achieve the ultimate flexibility and choice to drive agility and speed. This is a big differentiation offered only by SAP. We take care of the technology so you can focus on your business outcomes. SAP has a unique position to address your challenges with in-depth insight and access into business data and processes. This allows organizations to focus on business outcomes and leave to us the technical building blocks. So SAP Business Technology Platform integrates and extends SAP Intelligent Suite as well as third-party applications with innovative capabilities. With SAP's strong business and technology assets and our close collaboration with customers and partners, SAP is uniquely positioned to deliver a business technology platform that helps enterprises achieve data-driven innovation. So let me share with you the three main customer scenarios that SAP Business Technology Platform provides you with. The first one is integration. As we all know, and we experience every day, and by the way, I've also came from a customer, so I've been exposed to a very similar situation. We came across heterogeneous landscapes that will include on-premise and cloud systems, software as a service applications, and different hyperscaler technologies. So the integration is essential to enhance business operations across the entire value chain by connecting all systems seamlessly. The second customer scenario is data to value. It is essential that organizations have a consolidated view across all their data assets and are able to achieve insight and make real-time decisions, especially during times of rapid change. I came from, as I mentioned, from a customer. I used to run all the Portuguese airports in my country. I was the CEO of the Portuguese airports. And the issue that I had was precisely having many different data spread across the different airports. And when I had the need to make a quick decision, I had the need to have an integrated view, I was struggling because they were spread all across. So it was important for me to collect all that data, to transform that data into value, because I need that insight in order to have the ability to have real-time decisions well sustained in most of the data that I have available. The third component of the third customer scenario is around extensibility. Companies need to stay agile and they need to adapt rapidly to new business conditions, because the environment, and especially now that if we put into context all the pandemic situation, the environment is changing really, really fast as it is changing our customer demands. So the extension will allow those companies or organizations to build and enhance all their application investments to meet their customer dynamic needs and provide continual value. So only SAP Business Technology Platform provides customers with the ability to connect end-to-end business processes. We understand flexibility and customer choice, and that is the reason why we provide multi-cloud capabilities that will allow you to run SAP Business Technology Platform in any cloud environment. SAP's extensive ecosystem of more than 15,000 partners around the world, and with expertise on more than 25 industries, will allow us to personalize solutions to meet your specific business needs. Across on-premise and cloud, SAP Business Technology Platform runs on Intel technology. But it's not just our technology partners that make use of Intel to give SAP applications optimal performance. Our SAP implementation partners also have Intel practices. We will help you enhance, connect, and extend your SAP applications with Intel technology from the edge to the cloud. Implementations are fast, with quick time to value, providing near-term business benefits and successful use cases to fuel your growth. And with strong business outcomes, including data to value, integration and extension, SAP Business Technology Platform is a platform for the intelligent enterprise. SAP Business Technology Platform has been recognized as a leader repeated by analysts such as Gartner. Our customers proudly tell us and tell the analysts specifically about our value, pricing, and contract flexibility. Gartner recognized that SAP has built one of the most comprehensive enterprise integration offerings in the market. And only SAP Business Technology Platform provides customers with unified analytics and transactional processing and comprehensive integration and extension outcomes. You can be assured that SAP Business Technology Platform, combined with Intel technologies, is a market-leading platform to innovate your business today and allow for agility and speed now and in the future. I would like to share with you an very interesting customer success story with SAP Business Technology Platform. We are talking about Endres Hauser, a Swiss-based company that runs SAP Business Technology Platform on Intel technologies. Endres Hauser is an instrumentation and automation supplier with operations in 120 countries. The company is on a journey from a process instrumentation manufacturer to a digital service provider. So let me explain you a little bit more in detail the journey that this company is going through. They currently have over 40 million device sensors installed at their customer locations. So Endres Hauser was data rich because of all that data that those million device sensors are producing, but they were lacking insight with less than 3% of data being leveraged. By analyzing their customers' processes, they were able to identify significant optimization opportunities. They found similar business processes with most of their customers across 7 different industries. Endres Hauser runs multiple critical business applications that all need to work together. And it includes, for instance, SAP systems such as SAP S/4HANA and SuccessFactors, as well as third-party systems, including Salesforce. They also run both Microsoft Azure and Amazon Web Services. So they run different hyperscaler technologies. So multi-cloud openness was also essential. Only SAP Business Technology Platform could provide the integrated end-to-end holistic solution they required. First, SAP Integration Suite connected all the applications and technology together so Endres Hauser could achieve an integrated view across their entire customer landscape. And then SAP HANA and SAP Data Intelligence provided data to value outcomes that enable them to create a true differentiated offering. Anders Hauser now enables significant optimization to their customer businesses processes. They ensure that data is leveraged extensively to generate maximum business value, and they have evolved their business offering through the introduction of new customer services. SAP Business Technology Platform, combined with Intel technologies, allows Anders Hauser to become a digital service provider and provide their customers with differentiated business and technology value. Of course, we've mentioned how key the technology Intel provides is to optimizing SAP applications, whether they run in the cloud or on premises. I'd like now to pass the word to Jeremy Rader to review not only why SAP HANA and the Business Technology Platform is stronger with Intel technologies, but some of the adjacent Intel technologies that enable an intelligent enterprise. Thank you very much for your invitation, and now over to you, Jeremy.
Hey, thank you, Carlos. While SAP and Intel have partnered for many decades, our efforts really became impactful at the advent of SAP HANA, where we worked together to standardize and certify on Intel Xeon Scalable processors. And we haven't stopped innovating together. This is most recently seen through the release of our Intel Optane persistent memory. And if you aren't familiar with persistent memory, I'll share a few benefits with you. The first important advantage of this technology is that data does not disappear when power goes off. This translates to higher data reliability, instant data access on system startup, and no more power shortages affecting your data workflow. But there's more to it. Persistent memory is both around higher capacity and the ability to support faster data processing with an overall lower total cost of ownership compared to traditional DRAM-only solutions. Now, I spent 15 years in Intel's IT organization, and words like reliability, instant access, lower total cost of ownership were extremely important to me. Take those benefits and apply them to SAP HANA. Together, these technologies transform the data storage hierarchy and deliver a game-changing way to manage more data with speed and at a lower total cost while overall improving your business continuity. SAP co-innovated with Intel to ensure that SAP HANA could take full advantage of Intel Optane persistent memory. And through our joint efforts, SAP HANA can effectively manage the allocation of data between DRAM and persistent memory and do that while delivering DRAM-like performance from data stored in persistent memory for an overall lower total cost of ownership. We expect to see SAP HANA capacity see an increase of up to 4.5 terabytes per CPU with persistent memory. In a test by an early adopter customer, Evonik Industries, we saw a 17x improvement in SAP HANA startup while using Intel Optane persistent memory compared to traditional DRAM-only solutions. In this test, HANA was loaded with around 1.3 terabytes of data, and we could achieve this dramatic improvement because data did not have to load from disk to memory. The makings of an intelligent enterprise really revolve around transparency across your landscape. Intel technologies can capture data from the edge, to the data center, to the cloud, and of course, SAP HANA is optimized for consumption of all of that data to drive real-time analytics so that you can respond immediately to your most critical business needs. Intel and SAP are working together across all different deployment models. We understand that customers have different choices on how to build their platforms and drive transformation, and flexibility is paramount, even more so over this past year. Carlos mentioned earlier the strength of the SAP ecosystem. Something unique to our partnership is that we have many shared partners from the hardware manufacturers like HPE to the cloud players like Microsoft Azure, all the way through to the software vendors and system integrators to help you make the best use of the business technology platform to implement your SAP solutions on Intel technologies. We continue to work together to address the most critical needs for numerous industry verticals like health and life sciences, retail, manufacturing, and beyond, while maintaining a strong focus on the foundational areas of growth, from edge to network and data center to cloud. You are not alone on your journey. SAP and Intel are here to support your technology adoption and have a multitude of resources to help you begin. You'll learn more about RISE in other sessions during the Business Transformation Tour, where Intel and our partners are key to this effort as well. And we have many industry-focused solutions with SAP that you can learn about. Hey, a sincere thank you to the audience and to Carlos for inviting me to present with him. It's been an absolute pleasure. You can learn more about the things that we talked about here today at sap.com/Intel or intel.com/SAP. Thank you and enjoy the event.